Ever wondered how Domino's prices its pizzas? There's a lot to consider beyond simply covering the cost of ingredients and labor. Firstly, Domino's employs a strategy known as value pricing. This approach aims to provide good quality food at affordable prices, making Domino's a go-to option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on taste. Then there's bundling. Domino's often combines multiple products together at a discount. Think about those meal deals that include pizza, sides, and drinks. This encourages customers to buy more at once, thereby increasing the value of each order. Dynamic pricing is another tool in Domino's pricing strategy arsenal. They might adjust prices based on demand, time of day, or location. For instance, prices could be higher during dinner time or in high-demand locations. Conversely, they might offer discounts during slower periods to boost sales. Domino's also uses psychological pricing to make their prices seem lower. Ever noticed how a pizza might be priced at $9.99 instead of $10? That's psychological pricing at work, making you feel like you're getting a deal. Price discrimination is another strategy Domino's employs. They might offer student discounts or special promotions targeting certain demographics. This allows them to attract specific groups of customers with tailored pricing options. For customers who don't mind paying a bit more for quality, Domino's offers premium-priced items. These might include gourmet pizzas or specialty toppings, appealing to those willing to pay more for a unique or higher-quality dining experience. Penetration pricing is another strategy Domino's uses. They might initially set prices lower than competitors to gain market share. The aim here is to attract customers away from competitors and build brand loyalty. Once they've established a strong customer base, they might then increase prices. Finally, Domino's regularly offers discounts and promotions. These could include limited-time deals, coupon codes, or loyalty rewards programs. Such strategies are designed to incentivize purchases and drive sales. In summary, Domino's employs a combination of pricing strategies to cater to different customer segments, optimize revenue, and maintain a competitive edge. They use value pricing, bundling, dynamic pricing, psychological pricing, price discrimination, premium pricing, penetration pricing, and regular discounts and promotions. It's a complex and ever-evolving approach, but one that clearly works for this pizza delivery giant.